Hello guys, today we're going to be unboxing another Oliver Peoples Gregory Peck. This one, the color code is the 1483 R8. So it's going to be the semi-matte. They call it LBR. I assume that means stands for light brown. And then it has the Indigo photochromatic lenses. So it comes in the Oliver Peoples plastic bag here with the Oliver Peoples logo. Comes with the hard case. It includes the Oliver Peoples booklet here. Kind of useless information, kind of pointless booklet, but trying to find English. Here. So that's what it says. And then comes with the Oliver Peoples drawstring bag here. This will also be your cloth. So it is a drawstring. It has, so inside the hard case we're gonna get the frames, of course. So like I mentioned before, like they call it the semi-matte LBR. I assume LBR means light brown, because this is kind of like a light brown. And that features Indigo photochromatic lenses. Indigo meaning it's basically blue. And it's gonna be the same kind of look on the with the you see the blue here. I think that's gonna be AR coating. AR means anti-reflective coating. So there's gonna be AR on the back, I guess. And the photochromatic, it means that it's gonna get darker in the sun. So when the sun rays hits this, it's gonna get slightly darker. I don't think it gets crazy dark, but it is gonna get darker, and when you're inside, it's gonna get lighter. I guess back to this. Like this has been in the case, so this is probably the lightest it'll be. I mentioned this before, but this there's no spring hinges. It is a fixed hinge, so it won't really stretch out. So with the sizes, it's going to be one size, only one size for the Gregory Peck Sun. There's 3 sizes for the RX version, but so if you wanted like the Gregory Peck but didn't want, but you know it didn't fit you, I would suggest going with the eyeglasses and then probably custom make lenses for you to make it a sunglass. So with the size, it's going to be 47mm lens width. Lens width for one lens. It's going to be 23mm lens. I'm losing my words here. It's going to be 23mm bridge width. It's going to be 42.8mm lens height, and it's going to be 150mm temple length. And this will be like a medium, so it'll fit most people. Definitely if you have a small face, it might be a little bit too large. If you have a big face, this might be a little tight, but it'll fit the majority of people. So this features these nice metal pieces here. It's basically like a gunmetal on this one. Also features a nice Oliver Peoples logo icon on the end of it. It's going to be on the left side, it's not on the right side. Let me show you what it says on the inside. Oliver Peoples LA, Oliver Peoples logo, photochromatic, like if it was polarized, it'll say polarized. It says handcrafted in Italy on the ends here. And on the other side, it's the it says OV5217S. That's the model number. Most Oliver Peoples have a model number and name for the frame. So it's also going to have the color code here, 1483 R8, Gregory Peck Sun. The size of information here is 4723 150. So it is a matte frame. It's not shiny or anything. It is a nice looking, it's almost slightly like transparent basically. It's very light brown. And there is light pieces and dark pieces to give it that Havana tortoise look. So each one's gonna be slightly unique. Like this one, you know, it's light here, but maybe yours might have the dark spot here. Like, it's gonna be unique for each one. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day, guys.